Wow.
So that's how our plane's going to look in the air.
Hope it flies easier.
Maybe we should do a radio control before we get in it. Yeah. Some monster servos in it.
Probably be a little easier if it wasn't
Wow.
easy either.
Yeah. How you feel, Chris?
Not bad. Now I got it trimmed out a little
Yeah, trimmed
bit.
out, yeah. Wow, first flight. Wow, look at that.
Actually, no, it's not bad. It is real touchy, though. You just touch the ailerons in it.
Wow.
So the ailerons, are they working as ailerons or just elevator?
Oh, exactly like an aileron. Elevator in the front.
Elevator's only the front, the Canard.
Okay. So you tip it and then do the elevator, Canard.
Wow.
And that wasn't even all the way over. That was just a touch.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy mackerel. Whoa, wow. Roll like that?
Yeah.
Can you go real high and cut the motor? I want to see how the thing stall. Yeah. You slowly cut the motor off. Yeah, and then.
Yeah, I'm gonna go around.
Yeah, go around. Yeah, come on. You slowly cut the motor off. Yeah.
Motor's off.
Wow, stall nice. Oh.
You got no control though.
Oh, no control, huh? All right.
We almost lost it out there.
Yeah.
Still having trouble catching it, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
You shut the motor off, it just sits there. You can't do nothing.
Oh.
So I'm going to bring it in a minute because I don't want the battery to die.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah.
But it's a touchy plane.
Yeah.
Probably if it was like twice as big, maybe it wouldn't be so sensitive.
Look at that!
Good landing. I like that.
It was like a helicopter.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, much more.
Yeah.
Easier to control.
Yeah.
I gotta adjust the ailerons a little. Yeah, it's much easier to control.
Wow, flying nice now. Yeah.
Not as fast, but it does let
Yeah.
go still.
Yeah. Wow, nice dog, huh?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I lost.
Problem?
Yeah. Something's going on with it.
All right. You gotta land it. Wow, isn't that like a Keep flying, Chris, until the very low.
What's that?
I said keep flying till the very low.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, good. you like it?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Like speed though, you gotta keep it going. You don't like to fly. Battery's getting low.
All right. Beautiful. Thank you.